NMT NW इंटरव्यू टेक 2 कट। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डॉक्टर शर्मा जी से, जिनकी NMT NW2 थ्योरी काफ़ी फेमस हो रही है। तो डॉक्टर शर्मा, क्या आप हमारे दर्शकों को NMT NW2 थ्योरी समझाना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, first of all, I will like to explain what actually is NMT and WT. So, actually, I also have one corollary for that. I will explain it later. It's kind of called FUGBA, so I will explain it later. First, we'll go to what actually means NMT and
Before
WT.
you proceed, I'd like to point out that this is a family show, so please.
Okay, so I can call it fork bar.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so like how actually we'll say NMT and WT, what actually it is and where to use it. I will explain it all the things. First of all, we should go to what exactly NMT and NWT means. It consists of two words, and the first one is NMT, that means not my type, and the second one is NWT, which means not worth talking. So let me explain you some scenarios. Suppose you are sitting in like a group of 15 people. They're talking about some irrelevant shit. You don't want to listen that. It's like something kind of thing, like they're talking about some gossip or some Bollywood films that you're not really into that thing, and still like you just want to go away from there. You don't want to listen to that at all. It kind of feels like a bit greasy, like how to go from that place. It will not look that polite. It will not look that good. It will look some kind of rude to those people sitting there. So I've tried to like create something out of that situation. So both of the the people sitting with you and you will both will feel comfortable. It will be some kind of universal rule. So what you can do there is just say NMT, NWT, that is not worth talking. So it's like you don't need to say actually anything, just show the sign, that is this actually means W, which is a symbol denoted for not worth talking. So in that way you can just leave the room, not even disturbing the other people. They will just simply understand the situation, the way you are feeling and the way other feelings. So it's kind of very good thing for the understanding of the people. You will not be like, again sometimes what happens is just leave the room, you have some discussions, you don't want to really mess around with the people by saying okay, I don't want to see this, I just want to go away. That might make your relationships bit greasy, as though here it can be used. Second scenario is, suppose like you have seen one girl, you're kind of attracted to her, and it's like after a few meetings you find, oh man, that was a bad one, I didn't really like that girl, this was just infatuation, I'm not into that, like we're not hitting each other, we're not have the common area of interest. Now what do we do? Now what we can do is just say this.
You suck.
This is M, not my type. Again, you can. What happens actually when you're trying to break up with girl? You have to give so many reasons to that. No, this, that. No, you are a really good girl, but we just can't hit it. It's just like that. This. All is crap. Just show this. Say NMT. She will ask, what is NMT? Not my type. Google it. She will Google it. She will find the theory, and she will understand what actually happened with her. Again, no crazy talks. Both are living in peace. There is NMT. So here it is for you. NWT, NMT, not worth talking, not my type.
So that was Dr. Sharma explaining, giving out a very peaceful message to the world, how we can save the world with a few gestures. Thank you, Dr. Sharma.
One more thing I want to add.
Yes, yes.
Like Why we really need this sign? Fork. It means it is like
we'll
kind
have to
of,
censor it.
yo, fine, whatever. That is kind of aggressive thing. Like you're not liking this thing, just saying fork off. Why to say that? Don't it will be better to say it like this? This is what? Fork bar. What actually it means? I don't give a fuck. Now you will be like guessing what does that mean? It's quite simple. The thing around you is not relevant to you. So why to give fuck to that? I don't give a fuck. Take it easy. Go on your way, I'll go my way. That's it. Again, it's quite simple, man. No aggressive controversies, conversations,
No censorship.
no censorship. That fuck bar. I don't give a fuck. Thank you.
Can you show it to the audience once more? So there is a legendary F bar.
I don't give a fuck. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma.